Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bricks. First, you need to select the right raw materials, typically clay or shale, which are the foundation of a strong brick. Next, these materials are carefully prepared by crushing and mixing them to achieve a consistent texture. Then, the bricks are formed using one of three main methods: stiff mud, soft mud, or dry press, each suited for different clay types and desired brick properties. This initial stage is crucial for the brick's final quality. After preparation, bricks are shaped. The stiff mud method involves extruding clay through a die, then cutting it with wires. For soft mud bricks, clay is pressed into molds, often dusted with sand to prevent sticking. Dry press bricks are formed under high pressure using clay with very low moisture content. Following shaping, these green bricks undergo a crucial drying phase. This slow, controlled process removes excess water, preventing shrinkage and cracks before firing, ensuring structural integrity. The next critical step is firing, where bricks enter large kilns. Here, they are subjected to intense heat, typically between 900 and 1,200 degrees Celsius. This high temperature transforms the clay minerals, creating a strong, durable ceramic bond that gives bricks their characteristic hardness. The entire firing cycle can last anywhere from 40 to 100 hours. Controlled cooling is then essential to prevent thermal shock and maintain the brick's structural integrity and quality. Finally, finished bricks undergo rigorous quality control, testing for strength, water absorption, and precise dimensions. There are various types, such as common bricks for general use, face bricks for aesthetics, paving bricks for outdoor surfaces, and fire clay bricks for high-temperature applications. Bricks provide excellent thermal mass and superior fire resistance, making them a reliable construction material. With proper manufacturing, these durable units can last for hundreds of years, offering lasting value and minimal maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.